guys, what's up? Kissha J here, and I'm super excited to be coming to you guys today with another video. For some reason, it seems like it's been a while. Is it just me? Anyway, so if you're here, that means you love DIY home decor videos. So why not hit the subscribe button and the notification bell? If you follow me on Instagram, I put together a collage of photos of abstract art and said, friends, please help me pick which one to do. And you did, honey. You showed up and showed out. So that's what we're going to be doing on our channel today. We're going to be doing some abstract art. So this is my first time. So come on, let's do it. Let's get right into this video. This is going to be my first time doing this, so please don't judge. The pictures that I'm going to be using to complete all these abstract photos are directly off Pinterest. I'm going to put each photo here at the top of the corner, and I'm going to attempt to draw it, and I'm going to also be attempting to walk you through step by step on what I'm doing. So to get us started off, we have this ruler. We have 2 bowls of water. One we're going to use to dip our dirty brush in. The other we're going to try to keep that water clean. We also have our acrylic paint with our paint brushes. And I already have the paper cut down to size, but this is going to be watercolor paper that we're using today. So here's a picture of the first one we're going to try. So this one looks like it just consists of circles and half circles, so this should be easy. You can't tell in the photo, but there's a background of a very light pink. So I'm going to paint the back of it, the base of this, just a very light pink. Here you will see me using this glass to create the circles. I didn't think I could do this freehand, so I aided the help of this glass. Using a smaller brush, I'm going to take it, dab it in the brown paint, and paint the circles round. For this, I barely put any paint on the brush at once because I didn't want to use too much paint and then it would oversaturate the pink behind it, because you're supposed to be able to see a little bit of that contrasting with this brown paint. And here you see me patting it. I think in my mind, I feel like this is going to give it a little dimension. I don't know, we'll see. Now we're going to paint in the black half circles. So right here you can see me going back in with a smaller brush and getting the angles. And here's how it turned out once it was complete and dry. One thing I would have done different with this is went back and cleaned up my edges, but all in all, I think this looks great. Let's start on the next piece of art. So the next art we're going to try, this consists of circles and rectangles. This should be easy. I used most of my ruler. Now we're going to go in with our medium-sized brush and fill in all the rectangles. So here you see me using the blow dryer. What this does is just simply help the paint dry faster so that I can move on to the next part. Now we're going to focus on that long rectangle down the middle, that tan one. I didn't have that color tan, so I'm going to use gold color paint to finish mine up. So next we're going to try to create the circle. If you can tell, the circle overlaps into the blue rectangle. So that's what we're going to do here. We're going to try to overlap our circle into the blue rectangle. Now this piece of art is complete. As you can tell, I didn't take that gold rectangle down through the blue rectangle. I still think this turned out beautifully, even though I didn't do exactly how the picture is. I also did about 4 more of these abstract art paintings that I'm gonna add to the end of this so that you guys can see how they turned out. I really enjoyed doing this project. It was something fun. It was something new that I've never done. I want you guys to tell me down in the comments below which one of these abstract paintings is your favorite. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hey guys, if you're watching this, that means you've made it to the end of this video. Yes, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. If you really like this video, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way, every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Also, there'll be some more videos over here that you can watch. If you hadn't seen those, what you waiting for? Go ahead and click that button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.